Hey everyone, welcome to replicate.com, or simply Replicate AI. So what exactly is this tool? It's a tool that lets us run AI using an API. Basically, it gives us access to various AI models, right? These can be community created or tailored for specific tasks, like image generation models where someone tweaks a model to create specific things like anime art, got it? That's essentially what Replicate AI allows us to do. They seem to show us a bit about costs here. Let's check out the pricing, shall we? Look, here's the pricing information. Public models. I think it says you only pay for what you use on Replicate. Some models charge for hardware and time, others for input and output, okay? For example, input is the message you send and output is what you receive, okay? For Flux 1.1 Karma, you'd pay 4 cents per image, which is quite cheap compared to other tools, right? Anthropic, $3 per million tokens. Well, that's expensive. It's pricey, isn't it? But hey, it's Claude 3.7. I should also mention that a million tokens, it's not that costly, but considering it's just Claude, not adapted for specific tasks like a cursor-style app, it's just Claude. So it seems expensive to me. DeepSeek R1 is pricier than Claude 3. Okay, but the output is cheaper, right? So DeepSeek R1 is cheaper. You need to think that if you input, I want a papaya, okay? That's an input of just 3 words, right? Literally. And the output will be thousands of words, okay? Ideogram 0.10. They won't have V2, right? Recraft AI was great AI, 4 cents per image, not bad. As you can see, we have various models here, but not too many. I thought there'd be more, honestly. Oh, look, you're not limited to Replicate's public models. You can also upload custom ones using Cog and such. They show pricing for each hardware option, see? In case we want to use different tools. Why show the pricing? I guess because some are faster than others, right? And that's pretty much the platform. We could log in, but without billing, why bother? Let's check out Replicate AI reviews too. Okay, let's look at some reviews. We can see they have 4 stars there. Worth it, fair price? Oh, I think that's what they're saying. Well, we see many reviews don't have much. Look, it's cheaper than AWS Amazon service, but pricier than others. Well, that might be something I agree with, okay? These services are also useful for using through the API, right? Without needing to use or drain our own devices, That's kind of what they allow us to do, right? Access to servers and such. I think it's a decent platform, nothing special. It's not a platform I'm super interested in, but anyway, we have different options here to generate images, videos, subtitles, fine-tune models. They let us generate speech, music, and text. There's everything, huh? We've got it all. Look, they say, thousands of models contributed by our community. How does it work? Run models, train them with your data, upload them, that's about it. So yeah, that's how this tool works.